What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell, it's a nice sunny day here in Kansas in the end of January, which is really rare, so we're going to definitely take advantage of that. So you guys can see right there, the truck is in the garage on jack stands. We got no wheels and tires on it. There we go, right here we got them out in the driveway. And what we're going to do today is we're going to take this stuff right here, this Meguiars hot rims aluminum wheel cleaner, and it's not really just for aluminum wheels. It'll work for most aftermarket wheels. And what we're looking to do today, guys, is we're going to take all of this brake dust and road grime off of these wheels, because winter has been a real nightmare here. The weather hasn't been so bad, but they've been salting the roads like crazy all winter, and you can tell that they really just need to be cleaned up pretty bad. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take our wheel cleaner and get these things all shined up. The first thing we have to do is soak them all down, and then we'll spray our wheel cleaner on there. Then we're going to take this brush right here and scrub it all in, kind of agitate it on there, let it sit for a little while. Then we'll rinse them down and see what we come up with. Then once we're done with all that, we'll polish the front side of them again, slap them back on the truck, and see what our finished product looks like. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this video. All right, guys, one more thing before we get started here real quick. You're gonna want to make sure that you've got some safety glasses and some gloves, because this stuff is pretty potent and you do not want to get it on your skin or in your eyes. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, guys, so now that we've got them all cleaned up and they're pretty much dry, we're going to take our mag and aluminum polish and our buffer right here, and we're going to see how well we can polish these things. Hopefully we can get that polished back out, which I know we will be able to. It's just a bunch of water spots and stuff from cleaning them. So let's go ahead, apply this polish to our buffer and start buffing these things. Whew, look how dirty that thing. So I may have to just polish by hand down in the lower areas where the buffer won't grab, but that's okay. I'm gonna grab a rag, wipe this off, and we'll see how well it's doing. Here. What? That's all right. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna continue to use the big buffer on all the other three rims as much as I can, like this one, and then I'll get my little buffer on my drill to try to get in these smaller crevices, because it's just gonna be a nightmare trying to do that by hand. Plus, up inside these cutouts here, we'll get them buffed up nice and shiny again as well. Well, guys, there you have it. We got them all cleaned up, polished up. I know they're not 100%, and I'm fine with that, because to be completely honest with you guys, here in the near future, I'm hoping to break these wheels down and paint them a different color. I'm not going to tell you guys what color I've decided to go with, but that is the plan for these wheels, and that's why I'm not going to go any deeper into polishing them. And I really want to get these back on the truck, get the truck out of the garage, wash all the salt off of it. So with that being said, I'm going to get these wheels back on the truck and we'll pull that beast out of the garage. Alright, guys, so there's the finished look on our wheels. They shined up real nice. Now obviously, as I showed you guys before, they're not exactly perfect, but we already went over why we left it that way. It'll all be changing here in the near future. Overall, I'm really happy with it. Now we just got to take it down to the car wash, wash all the dirt off of it, all the salt, because it is really nasty. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. If you liked what you've seen, make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and just like that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.